Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. I'm Mike from Tempcoder Tech, and today, we're delving into the world of PowerShell. Specifically, we'll be demystifying the powerful Get-Process cmdlet. Stay tuned for some sysadmin magic. Now, type Get-Process and hit enter. This cmdlet is your key to understanding what's running on your Windows machine. Boom! You'll see a list of running processes. Each line represents a process, with details like the name, ID, CPU usage, and more. But what if you're looking for a specific process? You can filter results by adding name process name. Replace process name with the name of the process you're interested in. You can filter with wildcards here as well if you are unsure of the name. Don't forget Get Help Get Process show window for more information. That's a wrap on Get-Process. It's an invaluable tool for sysadmins, allowing you to keep a close eye on what's happening on your system. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more PowerShell and sysadmin wisdom. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to explore more tech tutorials on Tempcoder Tech. Find the link in the description below. Until next time, happy scripting, sysadmins.